Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk to you about the police using the toll roads. Now look at this. There are two police vehicles to the right of us. This is the Vineyards Toll Plaza on Highway 2000. And look at this. The police have to stop to pay toll. I want to ask you guys a question. How does it work where you live? Those of you that live outside of Jamaica. Do the police look at that? The police have the lights are on, flashing, and they still have to pay toll. In other countries like the UK, Canada, USA, how does it work? Do police vehicles, marked police vehicles, have to pay toll? Now, in Jamaica, the JDF, the Jamaica Defense Force, they don't have to pay toll if they're in their vehicle. They don't have to pay any fee for transport in Jamaica. It's the law. It's part of the law of Jamaica. The Jamaica Defense Force can drive through these toll plazas without paying toll. But the police, we're just going to look at this again. The police have to pay toll. Now there's a special arrangement with the ferry police station where those vehicles don't have to pay toll. But with the exception of the other police stations, they have to pay toll. Now, in a case like this, the police have to pay the toll and then fill out a report to being reimbursed for the toll. But in many cases, the police say they have not been reimbursed because of administrative reasons. But that is how the process is to work. The police pay the toll out of their pocket and then they get reimbursed. But I think the police should be given the same power like the JDF, the army. Allow them free passage on the toll. Because who monitors this road? The police. There's an accident on the road. Who has to come and sort it out? The police. Now, I'm not sure what structure is in place for the fire brigades, basically the trucks and ambulances, the fire trucks and ambulances. I don't know what process. Do they have to pay toll? Guys, if anybody knows, do ambulances and fire engines or fire trucks have to pay toll? Because what happens when there's an accident on the road? And unfortunately, we have accidents. So guys, what do you think? Do you think the police should have to pay the toll out of their pockets and then get reimbursed? Or do you think the government should work something out? Basically, it could be you just pass a law. Since emergency vehicles can have free access to the highway, to the toll plazas, marked police vehicles. If you are in a marked, like those two cars we saw at the beginning of this video, if you're in a marked police car, you should not have to pay toll. Guys, let us know what you think. You can leave your comments in the section below. Also, if anybody knows what the arrangement is for the ambulances and the fire trucks, read the toll plaza and the paying toll, let us know. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Enjoy the rest of the tour on the highway. Have a good day.